Hello everyone, hello YouTube, J Kim right here. In today's video I will show you how to install ReProvision, and after install an IPA file that we have downloaded like unc0ver, sign through ReProvision, and after reboot the device, and then use again unc0ver after we reboot. So this is very useful when your device running on iOS 12, where if you use Alt Store on iOS 12 you can sign an apps, but then every time you resigned, you need to be connected to your computer that have an unc0ver installed. So this one, after you have installed through Alt Store, you can use this, install this ReProvision and sign your apps like unc0ver there, and then you can resigned without any computer anymore. So first, as you can see, I am jailbroken now. I have Cydia. So first you go to Cydia, add this repo, repo.packix.com. Then go to search, and in there just type ReProvision. See at the bottom you see ReProvision Reborn. That is the latest one. Just installed it. So as you can see, I have already installed it. So after you installed, just go to home screen. After that, go to Safari. We will install unc0ver, so we need to download the IPA file. There it is. See, just hit download. And for me, I will not do it again because I have already downloaded it and I have saved it on my files. Right there. So after you downloaded it, go back to ReProvision. As you can see there on the top, you can see add. Just tap on it. See, I have redirected where I have downloaded my file. So I will just tap unc0ver. And then hit install and wait until it's finished installing. So as you can see, it is successfully installed. So I have unc0ver now on my home screen. So you see I am jailbroken at the moment. You can see it says Jailbreak. So now we will reboot the device and then after open again unc0ver. Alright, now we are fully rebooted my device. Here, now you see I am not jailbroken. If we try to open Cydia, it will crash. So I am not jailbroken at the moment. So now unc0ver should work because it is signed before through ReProvision. So we'll open unc0ver, and if you see trusted developer, of course you just go to settings, general, and go down to profiles and device management. And then just hit trust. So here we go. Go back to unc0ver, and it should open. So now, as you can see, we are ready to re-jailbreak again. So okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.